Hi everyone, we are going to make this finger puppet flying bat. So let's get started. We are folding this paper, make triangular shape, pull downwards, again make multiple folds from its corners, flip it. Here we are going to make folds for the wings like this, pull it downwards, make multiple folds. Now open it. Now we are going to give it shape. So flip it and again we are going to press it using thumb. Paste its size and look, it is ready. Halloween is coming soon. We are going to make this glowing candy container pumpkin monster. We are going to fold this paper and here we are making a square shape. So make a triangular shape. Now we are going to fold it from its diagonals as well. Press it, fold it from its sides like we are doing here and tuck the paper inside like this. Similar way we are going to do this from other side. Now we are going to fold it from its bottom side and tuck paper inside like this and do the same from all the corners. Now we are going to draw the face, cut it and gently open it and give it a shape like this and look, your container is ready. Next we are going to make the handle. So fold this orange paper, tuck the handle and look, it is ready. Put a fairy light inside it and it's done. We're going to make these spiders for Halloween, so let's get started. We're folding this purple paper. You can take whatever color you like. Flip it and again tuck the paper inside, fold it from its corners. Now flip again and we are going to make a shape like this from all the sides. Here we are going to make the legs of the spider, so we are going to make multiple folds. Now we are going to cut it from its bottom side using a small scissor. Now we are going to open it like this and tuck the paper inside like we are doing here. Now twist all the cuts like this and we're going to make four legs like this. Fold it again from its bottom side and look, your spider is ready. Let's make spider web using craft paper. These type of decorations are great for Halloween. So we are going to cut this orange craft paper, make a triangular shape. Now draw this pattern on the top of it using pencil. Now take a scissor and start cutting it like we are doing here. Look carefully and cut it like this. Do the same from other side. Now open it and look, your spider web is ready. Happy Halloween. We're going to make these skeleton hands for Halloween, so let's get started. Take this white sheet of paper, fold it, make triangular shape. Now make multiple folds from its bottom side. Again we are going to make crease like this, so we are going to make these much fold like this. Look carefully. Here we are going to fold it in a zigzag manner like this. Now gently open it and open all the stands. Here we are going to make 5 such fingers. Now twist all of them like this and look, it is ready. Put it inside a stick and it's done. We're going to make paper ghost for Halloween, so let's get started. You can take tissue paper or normal white paper like this, cut it into a square. Now put a lollipop inside it and wrap it or tie it using a thread, or you can also use rubber band. Now draw the monster or ghost face using black markers. Crumple a paper, make a ball like this. Put all of them inside the ball one after another and look, it is ready. Let's make origami pumpkin today using craft paper. So take a square orange paper and start folding it from its sides and diagonals as well like this. After this we are going to fold it and you will get a star shape like this. Now gently open all the petal like shape like we are doing here. Now we are going to cut another green square paper. Here we are going to make the stem of the pumpkin. So fold it like this. Again we are going to paste double-sided tape and tuck it inside the orange paper like this and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.